and welcome to my channel. Have you ever wanted to be an Instagram model? Or do you want to have a photo shoot but don't know how to go about it? Well, I can help. I've seen a few of these videos on YouTube. I'm unoriginal. I kind of just wanted to share my tips and tricks, makeup and hair, stuff like that, to take better pictures for Instagram. I mean, after you watch this video, you could make yourself into an Instagram model. Let's get started. Step 1 to being an Instagram model is the skin. So take care of it. Wash it morning and night, and always, always moisturize. Also, I want to take a quick sec to thank Sephora Collection for partnering with me on this video. Anyway, here I'm using a Kate Somerville moisturizer, and as you can see, my skin isn't perfect, which really sucks, but hey, I'm taking care of it, so that's all that matters. Also, I love this eye cream. It's perfect, especially before under eye concealer. Now for step 2, the makeup. For an IG model, you're either going for some intense glam or the complete opposite. I'm not the best at glam, and I prefer a natural look, so that's what I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna start with a really sheer tinted moisturizer that gives my skin a very glowy look. This is the Sephora Collection Bright Future Skin Tint that you've seen me use before. Oh, actually, psych, I totally forgot to put on primer. So here I'm using my Blur Stick by Milk. But anyway, back to the skin tint. You've seen me use this and talk about it before, but I felt like it would be perfect for the Instagram model look because it is sheer, so it looks like your natural skin, but it also gives a good amount of coverage, which is exactly the look we're going for. We want to look like we are naturally blessed with clear skin. And just finish up perfecting your naturally beautiful skin with concealer under the eyes and on any blemishes you have and stuff like that. Just do your foundation routine, but make sure that it looks pretty natural. Don't like cake anything on or, you know, pack on the powder. Remember, you never have to look perfect. Don't worry about looking perfect. Just do whatever you want for your makeup. Newsflash, nobody's perfect. I gotta work it again and again till I get it right. So after that, to make sure that our concealer and our skin tint stays on our face, we want to just set it lightly with some loose powder or, you know, whatever powder you have. And then once that's done, color is really important to bring into your face, especially for pictures. So I like to apply some blush, just a pretty natural looking blush. And then here I'm using a little bit of a cream bronzer just to make it look like my skin is naturally bronzy. But of course I had to go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer and just kind of warm up my face a little bit more. Now, of course, we need highlighter because if you don't have a good highlight in your photo and you're trying to be an Instagram model, it's just not gonna work out. So I used a cream highlighter and then put a powder highlighter on top because I'm extra. Okay, now for the eyebrows. These are also very important. The goal is to get them looking darker and having a little bit more shape to them while also looking natural. So for that, I love using an eyebrow tint. I've talked about this before, but basically it just tints the eyebrow hairs that you already have and adds a little bit more color. I mean, look at that. It's so subtle, but it's so helpful. That was gross. I regret that. So then after I put the tint throughout my eyebrows, then if I need a little bit more shape, I'll use my Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit and blend it all together by combing it out. What are you doing here? Whoa. Ooh. Oh, I totally forgot. Totally forgot to do this before my makeup, but usually I like to apply lip balm while I'm doing my makeup so that my lips can be moisturized as I'm working. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And now moving on to the eyes. For me, really the only goal I have is to make my blue eyes pop. So for that, I love using orangey brown shades all over my lids. As I have done a million times, you guys already know that I love to do this, but basically I'll put it all over my eyelid. And this time I'm actually switching it up a little bit and putting a darker color on my upper lash line because that just adds a little bit. But anyway, if you don't have blue eyes, then Google which color complements your eye color and use that shade of eyeshadow. The goal is just to accentuate your natural features, not hide them. Whoa, Nelly! I love orange eyeshadow. And then I've been doing this a lot lately. I like to highlight my inner corner because it just looks really good. And that is the eye shadow. Now for the eyelashes, just apply whatever your favorite mascara is and you're good to go. The lips are also very important because you definitely want some long wearing color that will last throughout the photo shoot and honestly, whatever you're doing after. So as I always do, and as you guys probably already know, I like to bring out the natural color of my lips. So I'm just using this dusty rose shade called Pink Cashmere. cashmere. This lip product is Sephora Collection's new cream lip stain. It has really nice finish and lasts a really long time. And this is also one of their new shades. They just came out with 50 new shades, you guys. That's a 50. There are so many shades. So if you want literally any color ever that is a good lip stain, then head over to Sephora Collection because they got a lot. And because Sephora Collection claimed that it was pizza proof, of course I had to test it out. I mean, that is a great excuse to eat pizza. So here I am enjoying my delicious pepperoni pizza. And you guys, it's stayed on. You can see that it is still on my lips. It's like so long wearing, so comfortable, and I love it. Okay, so now that the makeup's done, let's talk about the hair. For me, I like to have some wave to my hair. Sometimes I like it straight, but a go-to that I can count on is making my hair wavy or curling it. So I have a whole video all about different hairstyles I do and how I do my hair and stuff like that. So I'll leave that in the description box, or you can click right here. As long as you do something with your hair, you can really do like any hairstyle with it to change up the look of the photos. It just makes the photos more interesting when you have something done to your hair. And if you like your hair, you're definitely gonna end up liking the pictures. As for what to wear in pictures, if you know you're gonna be taking a lot of pictures, definitely wear something interesting. So for me, I like to incorporate pops of color in my outfits. So I love yellow, red, black, and denim. Those are like all my favorite things to wear, and they seem to look good in pictures. I mean, of course you can wear whatever you want, but if you want the pictures to stand out and you want a different look than just like a casual everyday look, then definitely put a little bit more effort into your outfits. Just go for interesting pieces. So I mean, I'd say these are pretty interesting. If you're wearing denim jeans, you could wear like a bright red shirt or a yellow shirt or whatever. But that's kind of how I do it. I try to incorporate pops of color and interesting pieces into my outfit so that the picture looks a little bit more interesting and a little bit more Instagrammable. So those are my outfit tips. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. How to take the pictures. I'm just gonna tell you guys what I do whenever I go out. I'm always looking for different locations to take pictures. So I keep my eye out for really cute places. I'm sorry, I keep looking over here. My window's right here, and this is like, there's so much to look at, and I can't stop looking out my window. As I was saying, my theme is orange. It's not like a hardcore theme, but I do like to take pictures with an orange undertone or with an orange background. So if I'm out and about and I see an orange wall, I'll take a picture with it. If I see some orange flowers, I'll take a picture in front of them. I think the location does have a lot to do with how the picture turns out. And then for posing and angles, I use my phone for like 98% of the pictures I have on my Instagram. How I like to take photos is from kind of a down angle a little bit. It makes you look taller, and I just personally like it better, I don't know. And don't be afraid to try like moving around and moving the camera around and just testing out different angles and figuring out exactly what you like, because just standing here and taking pictures of someone just standing like this isn't the most interesting. Definitely test out new angles, test out new poses. It's good to get familiar with yourself before you go out and have a photo shoot. So kind of figure out what your best angles are, maybe what your favorite side of your face is. Sounds really intense and a little full of yourself, but if you want good pictures, those are the things that go into the good pictures. So don't become too obsessed with it, because that's just not healthy. But if you want to take some good pictures, you should know your angles and some of your favorite poses. So as you can see, these are some of my favorite poses. A tip for taking pictures: tell the person that's taking pictures of you to just take a bunch and like move around and just like try different poses and see what you like, because then you'll have a bunch of different options and you can go through it and be like, oh, I like that, oh, I hate that, you know what I mean? Anyway, I think that's all I have to say for this video. So yeah, that's basically how you can be an Instagram model, or how to up your Instagram game. Good luck, and if you guys take any of these tips and take your own pictures, I would totally love to see them. So just tag me on Instagram at summermckeen, or tweet me also at summermckeen, because I always love to see you guys. You're all adorable and so cool. Don't forget to check out Sephora Collection's 50 new shades of their cream lip stain. I'll have a link in the description box. And you guys should also follow them on Instagram at SC, because around the launch dates, April 11th on their app and April 13th in stores, they're gonna be giving away some lip products. So definitely go check those out, because I love all of these lip stains. They last so long and they're just really good. If you're new to my channel and you liked this video, you're probably gonna like my other videos too, so definitely subscribe. I post every single Friday. If you made it all the way to this point, I want you to comment cactus. So I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly hard.